Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Esther, and today you guys, please, you should not just mind my look. If you are hearing any background noises, today is Sunday, so I'm filming this video on a Sunday, and there are actually some churches and filling station around my house. So just ignore the noise if you are hearing anything. And you guys, today's video is just going to be all about unboxing my baby items. All the things I bought for my baby, I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys so that at least if you are a first time mom like me, you are a kind of ignorant, or you are a kind of confused on what to buy. This video can be helpful to you. So you should just stick around, stay back and enjoy the rest of the video. And if you look beside me, the first thing I'll be showing you people is this my baby wardrobe. This wardrobe I got as a gift from my church member, our youth organization in my church. This is the gift they offered me, and inside this wardrobe is a 4-drawer wardrobe. Inside this wardrobe, I have all baby clothes, stockings, hats, so many things are inside this wardrobe. I have already washed all my baby clothes. Actually, they are okay, precisely. So I've washed all of them, ironed both my nursing bra, my underwears, as in everything I stored inside this wardrobe. And if you look up, this is my baby bed. My younger sister gifted me this baby bed when I did my traditional marriage. And up here is this baby stroller. It's a stroller, actually, not a walker. It's a stroller that it's just a baby stroller. And beside me here is my baby hanger that I will use to be hanging my baby clothes. My baby bathtub set. It has a pretty chair, a basket, a bucket, a soap dish, cup, and the bathtub itself. I can't actually lift it up because there are so many things here. And here I have all the things I bought with my money. What I have here is this wrapper, which if you are in Nigeria, if you are living in Nigeria, you will know the purpose of this wrapper. You cannot wear gown or trouser to give birth. So the hospital will have to tell you to buy 2 pieces. I have already cut this one. To buy 2 pieces of wrappers that will be tied during labor, or maybe labor and delivery. I don't actually know. So what I have here is this baby blankets. It's a warm, cozy, and good baby blanket. I have already packed my hospital bag, so I just have to bring it out, show you people what I bought. I have this baby blanket, and beside it you see a little knitting. It's not actually gift though. I have to put it there so that the nurses will see it when they want to bring out the blanket. So you see these baby mittens. It actually came in a set of 3. I took 2 out of it. So this is baby mittens. What I have here, this is actually a gift from my mother-in-law, all the way from the United States of America. So what I have here is my baby feeding bottles and a sucker, a pacifier. This is a 2 sets of pacifier, and this is Medela bottles. It actually came. She sent 2 for me. I have already bought bottle that is smaller than this. So, but I'll be taking that one to the hospital. I don't know which of the bags that I kept it. Maybe when I'll be doing what's in my hospital bag video, I'll show you guys the other bottle, but it is a bit smaller than these ones. So what I have here is my sets, is my bottles, is actually Medela bottles. If you live in the USA, you will know this bottle I'm talking about. It's actually focus. It's actually Medela bottles. I don't want this video to be too long. What I have here is my baby plates for bag, our sponge. I will have to be fast. Our sponge and my baby plates. I have a little shoe for my baby, a peg, and this rattle. If you know what this is, it is usually called chaka chaka in Nigeria. So this is my baby rattle. Another shoe. This is for our Christian. It's going to be for our child dedication. When I'll be dedicating my baby, that is when. And this little spoon for feeding. Again, what I have inside is a nylon bag. I don't know if I would be unboxing this, but let me open it for you guys. This sanitary pants is actually, I bought 3, so 2 I've taken 2 out of it, and this is my breast pad for breast milk, so that you will not be smelling anyhow. I have this okay, let me show you people this. This is my diaper. This is the diaper that I bought. This is a size 2 diaper. I don't know if my baby is going to be big. Let me show you people this way, maybe you will understand. This is a size 2 diaper. I bought Huggies, but inside this Huggies, I have 2 brands of diaper inside this Huggies. I've actually opened it so that I will put the remaining ones inside it. So it has a Monfils newborn and size 2 diaper, and I have my baby comb. I just pray my baby has hair, so I bought baby comb. I bought this latex glove. Is in my hospital. Most of the things here I bought it out of the list they gave me at the hospital. So this is latex glove, and this is a Purity Detour for my baby. This is wipes. I bought Angel wipes. I have this cord clamp. This is white. I don't know if you people are seeing one. Focus. Okay. This is cord clamp. What I have inside this thing is my baby soap. Baby soap and Dettol is what is inside this nylon. The nylon has already torn. So what I have here is my baby soap, exotic, and my Dettol, my own personal Dettol that I'll be using after giving birth. Then this is a set. I bought this set for my baby. It has this is the baby powder, this is the baby lotion, this is the baby oil, and this is the baby liquid soap. It has a smooth inside it and a gift towel inside it. It just came as a set. Then I have this cotton bud for cleaning the ear, and this menthol for cold or congested nose. You people know that babies do catch cough and catarrh very easily. So this is going to help. It looks like this. This is going to help. So I'm just doing this for the sake of first-time moms like me. Then I have this little cotton wool. I'll still buy the one that is bigger than this one because it is in my hospital list, but I probably bought this one for the baby's navel. I bought those big giant cotton wool for cleaning the baby after birth. I have two delivery mats here, one for me and one for my baby. They will put this one on the table whenever I'm going to be delivering, and this is what they will use to keep the baby to clean him or her. I have about 3 pads here, but I'll still buy more. This is lady sex, maternity pad, delivery pad. I'll probably be using this, but I'll be taking 2 to the hospital. Just in case, I'll be taking 2 to the hospital. Then this is soccer. They will use it to suck off anything that is obstructing the baby's lungs and the nose. You understand? And I bought this little spirit. I know that it looks weird, but it's a methylated spirit. But what is in my hospital list is moco isopropane spirit. So I bought this for myself. Maybe for myself, I don't know. But after giving birth, I will know if I'm going to use it or give it away. Then I have a blue seal Vaseline here. I'll be using this thing for the navel and also as a prevention from diaper rash. I bought a lot of things, but I just pray this video is not too long. I bought this Viva detergent for my hospital. Is in my hospital. You people will still see this in my hospital when I'll be doing what's in my hospital bag video. So you people will be seeing this. I bought this soap. It's also in my hospital list. And then finally, this is a jig. I bought 2, the medium size and the smallest size. This is a jig. Can't actually open this nylon now, but let me open it for you. This is jig. Is what they wrote for me in my hospital. They actually said the big size, but this is, I'll still buy more of the things here. But I don't select some, but maybe the current situation I am now, I don't know if I'll be giving birth at any time, but let me just unbox some of the things that is here and show you guys. So you guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to always share my video, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. If you are a first time mom like me and you are curious of what to buy, this video is going to be helpful to you. I bought both the hospital and the things that I will be using after delivery. All of them are here. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hopefully I will see you all in my next video. For now, bye guys.